Hello friends, I'm back with another video. In this video, we will be talking about simple verbs. I hope you enjoy it. Stay with me. Simple verbs. To walk. To move forward by putting one foot in front of the other at a moderate pace. I walk to work every day. Used to describe the action of walking somewhere. To run. To move quickly by using both feet, with one foot off the ground at a time. She likes to run in the park. Describes running as an exercise or quick movement. To go. To move or travel to a specific place or location. I will go to the store later. Refers to traveling or moving from one place to another. To come. To move or travel toward the speaker or a specific location. Please come to my house tomorrow. Describes movement toward a person or location. To sit. To rest on the lower part of your body with your weight on your buttocks. You can sit here. Used to instruct someone to take a seat. To fall. To drop down to a lower position, often due to losing balance. Be careful not to fall on the ice. Describes someone or something dropping to a lower position. To jump. To push yourself off the ground using your legs and feet. The dog jumped over the fence. Describes the action of lifting off the ground. To bring. To take or carry something with you to a specific place. Could you bring me a glass of water? Refers to transporting an object to a person or location. To give. To offer or hand something to someone else. I will give you my book. Describes transferring an object from one person to another. To find. To locate something or someone that was lost or hidden. I can't find my keys. Refers to searching for or discovering something. To open. To move something to allow access, visibility, or use, such as a door or book. Please open the window. Describes the action of allowing access or visibility. To close. To shut something, such as a door, window, or book, to prevent access. Don't forget to close the door. Describes the action of preventing access or shutting something. To start. To begin something, such as an action, project, or journey. We will start the meeting at 10 a.m. refers to initiating an action or event. To stop. To cease or bring an activity, movement, or action to an end. She had to stop the car suddenly. Describes halting an activity or movement. To finish. To complete or bring something to an end, often after a task or project. I will finish my homework soon. Refers to completing something that was started. To build. To construct or make something, especially by putting materials together. They will build a new school. Describes the action of creating or constructing something. To do. To perform or carry out an action, task, or activity. I need to do my homework. Refers to carrying out a specific action or task. To get. To acquire, receive, or obtain something. I will get a new phone next week. Describes the action of obtaining or acquiring something. To turn. To change direction or move in a specific way, often by rotating. Turn left at the corner. Refers to changing the direction of movement. To introduce. To present someone or something to another person, often for the first time. I will introduce you to my friend. Describes the action of presenting one person to another. To travel. To go from one place to another, usually over a long distance. They love to travel to different countries. Describes moving over long distances for pleasure or work. To let. To allow or permit someone to do something. Let him finish his work. Refers to giving permission for an action to take place. To choose. To select one option from a set of possibilities. I will choose the blue shirt. Describes making a decision between multiple options. To help. To assist or support someone in doing something. Can you help me with this task? Refers to offering assistance to someone. To swim. To move through water by using your arms and legs. We swim in the pool every summer. Describes the action of moving in water. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. By subscribing, you won't miss any of our educational content. Support me by liking the videos, sharing them with your friends, and sharing your thoughts and questions in the comments. Let's learn together.